In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup custom commands. This feature is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and tailor the app to fit the specific needs of your team or personal projects. So let's dive in and explore how to set up these commands. First, open up your browser and head over to Clickup's official site. It's known as the Everything app for work, making it a powerhouse tool for project management. Once there, you'll see the option to log in at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so now. Click on the button to sign in with Google. This method is incredibly convenient because it makes accessing your Clickup account faster and connects seamlessly with other Google services you might be using. After selecting your Google account, you'll find yourself on your Clickup Workspace's main page. Now focus your attention on the command center. To do this, simply click on the search bar that's usually located at the top of your screen. It's identified by a magnifying glass icon. Once you click, type in command. It's a quick, efficient shortcut to access the custom command feature directly. Next, a list of options should appear, and you'll want to select Create New. This is your gateway to setting up a new command. If you have a specific link related to your command, this is the ideal place to paste it. It could be a link to a document, an external reference, or anything that complements the purpose of your command. Now give your new command a name. Think of a concise and descriptive title that clearly indicates the command's function or purpose. Providing a clear name will make it easier to identify later when you or others need to use it. Along with naming, there's an option to add a description. While this step is not mandatory, it's one I highly recommend. A brief description can offer more context, elucidating the command's purpose and any specifics others might need to know. With everything in place, it's time to finalize your command. Simply click on Create Command. This action will save your command and make it ready for use in your Clickup environment. And there you go. In just a few steps, you've created a custom command in Clickup. Custom commands are powerful tools in optimizing your tasks and projects, saving time, and keeping everything organized. Be sure to experiment with different command setups to see what works best for your workflow. Thanks for following along, and happy organizing.